Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it and do not forget to turn on your notifications. If you like the video, crush the like button, and if you have some questions, don't forget to drop comment below the video. Alright, in this video, we're going to have to use GitHub if we have teammates or we as a collaborator. Okay. Now I'm going to be both team leader and a collaborator. Okay. Now as a teammate, sorry, as a team leader, I'm going to use a previous um, repository, which is Hasan Divarci. This is my name and this is my GitHub account, and I'm going to use previously created project as a I'm going to use one as a team leader, and I'm going to add a collaborator, and I'm going to use my another account as a team member. Okay, I'm trying to do it everything slowly, not to confuse you guys. Okay, now let's add some collaborator. Let's go to settings, collaborators. All right, add people, Divarci UK at gmail.com. Yep. Okay. Now awaiting response. I am going to log in from my mobile phone and I will accept this invitation. Let's have a look. Did I receive it? Pop, pop, pop. Yeah, it seems I received it. Let's click view invitation. Yes, accept invitation. It's done. Let's refresh the page now. Yeah, I, my other account is a collaborator now. Now what I'm going to do is I will log in with my, actually I'm not gonna log in. I will open a new empty project. Actually not empty project. I'm going to open my Visual Studio and clone this project to my computer and do some changes as a collaborator, and I'm gonna push my changes to team leader. I will wait for accept my project. Okay, perfect. Let's minimize this section and let's try to clone the repo. Clone, I'm going to click clone a repository and it is asking me repository location. It's located in our email because we are a collaborator. When we accept the invitation, we received a repository URL, but now I'm going to use just this my repo address from the address part to make it easy for me. Okay, paste, and this is the path I'm going to use my desktop. Let's create a new folder, GitHub test. Let's select this folder. When I click the clone, it will be downloaded this folder, guys. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. Project loaded and ready to use, as you can see here. Perfect. Let's close this section. This is the project which I downloaded from the remote repository. As you can see, features 1, 2, and specifications are here. Perfect. So what am I supposed to do now as a collaborator? How should I work? So I'm going to create a new branch. New branch. You can type this name of this branch as a task ID, task name, or just your name. It depends how your team leader process the project. Okay, I'm gonna type my name and task, for example, 5, whatever it is. Okay, let's create now. It's created. Now I'm going to add some models to my project. Okay, my duty in this project to taking care of models and creating new models, blah 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 something. Let's add some class, for example, home page, and contact classes. Okay, I add these two models, two classes in the project, and I tested everything is working. Now I'm going to send these models to the remote repository. But before that, let's leave it here just a moment. Let's go back to our remote repository. We don't have any other collaborator, so I'm going to add manually some file here to act someone upload some changes to our repository. Okay, let's add file, create a new file. Just type here calculations txt test. Let's commit changes, commit direct to the main branch. Just do it because it's sended, accepted, blah blah, whatever it is done, and it's in main branch now. Perfect. Let's minimize it now. Okay, so let's come back our development section. We add contact and homepage models, I mean classes. So what we need to do, we need to commit them, right? Let's models are added. Let's commit them all. It's done. Let's go our manage branches. As you can see here, we have an outgoing commits here, but we don't know do we have any incoming changes. So what we supposed to do? Let's go to main branch. Let's stay here because I don't want any changes in my development section, and I'm going to click fetch to see if there is any changes in remote repository after I download them. Let's click them. I'm waiting. As you can see, there is one changes. Let's see we all commits before download in our branch. When I click, where am I supposed to do? See them. Let me have a look. Remote main, not that one. Why I couldn't see them? That's why maybe it's because it's just txt file. Let me have a look. One incoming. Models are added. This is mine. Yeah, as you can see, I clicked the main. As you can see here, okay, I'm able to see the what is the changes now. So in this section, there is a changes here. As you can see, create calculations. This txt file has been created, and I didn't pull this file to my main. I have a look this file. It doesn't affect my project, then I can pull it. Let's now pull this file. Now I'm pulling this section to my main. Alright, perfect. Now my main branch is up to date, and I did changes my own branch. Let's go back to my branch again. Double click. Perfect. And it doesn't affect my project, so I'm not bringing it to my repo. If I would like to bring it, I can click. Let me have a look. Oh, sorry. This is different section. Git manage branch. This is local feature specifications. Let me have a look. Yeah, I need to see the main as well. Okay, perfect. Okay. As you can see, create calculations txt in our main branch. I can click this commit, right click, and I can click cherry pick. As you can see, I have create calculations txt in my branch now. Let's go back my branch again. All right. Now let's try to push to the main branch. Okay, I'm pushing. Okay, it's pushed to the main branch, but I'm going to create a pull request to my team leader with these changes. Okay, create a pull request. Title is Hassan task 5. Alright, just create a pull request here now. All done. We sent a pull request now. Let's close everything. Now let's have a look. Our repo, GitHub test. As you can see, we have two branches here which I just sent to my remote repository to team leader, and as you can see there is a pull request. I click this as a team leader and I have a look what's have been done here. Models are created, and as you can see I to create calculation to my project and I resent back. Just click the merge pull request. There is no conflict, everything is perfect. Confirm merge. Pull request successfully merged and close. So as a team leader, I don't need this branch anymore. Hassan task 5, I can delete it. Perfect. Alright, let's close this section now. Perfect. Now we developed our part of project and we push to the remote repository. It's accepted and merged with the main repository in cloud. Now it's live and it's using. Okay, what I'm gonna do now? What I'm gonna do here now? I can delete this task 5. It doesn't matter, or you can keep as it is because I'm not gonna use it anymore. Um, I will go to the main branch. Okay, I'm gonna check. For example, 5 days later or 1 week later, I need to add some features here. I need to check is there any changes in my main. I'm going to click fetch. I'm waiting. There is 3 changes. Yeah, there is 3 changes. Let's have a look now. Main 5. As you can see, merge pull request from Hasan Divac task 5. This is the changes. Okay, I'm gonna pull everything to my main branch. Perfect. All of them is here now. All right. Let's have a look. Our solution explorer. As you can see, I am in main branch and contact and home page models classes are here. It's working. Let's have a look. I just realized something. I deleted normally in task 5, Hasan task 5 branch from my repo, if I remember correctly. Let me have a look. Yes, deleted. Is there a refresh button? Let's click refresh. Let's just click and delete it. No, it's not. Yeah, it's gone. It's not important because it's already deleted from remote repository. So it's all right. Let's have a look at our models. Everything is up to date. Perfect. By the way, a couple of minutes we did fetch and pull and push, right? If you remember. If you skip all of them, if you don't would like to see what is there any changes, just pull and push, just click the synchronize. It means first pulling, then pushing. It's up to you guys. Okay, I'm going to finish this lesson here. It's already been 15 minutes, and hopefully you understand how to use GitHub with the as a collaborator or as a team leader. And I assume you understand everything. I'm going to finish this lesson here. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to like the video, and if you have some questions, drop comment below the video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.